Are you looking for the best Delta 3D printers for Rapid? In this video we will look at some of the best Delta 3D printers for Rapid on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Flsun is a Super Racer 3D printer. Flsun is one of the most popular brands in the Delta 3D printer market. Currently, the Flsun SA Super Racer is one of their top-line models. It has a generous build volume, a maximum print speed of 200mm/s, and a sturdy aluminum frame. These features are part of why it is one of the best Delta 3D printers on the list. The SA Super Racer features a maximum print volume of 260x330mm. The printer nominally prints at 150mm/s printing speed, almost 3 times that of an average Cartesian printer. The fast printing speeds enable you to print models quicker, reducing your print times. Flsun features linear rails for precision motion on the Super Racer's 3 axes. Besides adding structural rigidity to the printer, the linear rails help deliver smooth motion and highly accurate 3D prints. The machine has a 3.5 touchscreen that you can position on the printer's frame at your convenience. Its UI gives you access to all important data and functions and comes with a real-time speed indicator on the touch screen display. The SA Super Racer prints fast, outputs high-quality prints, and has several features developed to deliver a premium 3D printing experience. It will be an excellent fit for users who need a high-speed Delta 3D printer without breaking the bank. At number 2. Monoprice Mini Delta V2 3D Print. WASP is an Italian 3D printer manufacturer and one of the pioneers in Delta 3D printers. Their WASP 2040 Pro is a flagship Delta 3D printer. With excellent build quality and steel-reinforced driving belts, it is a highly durable and sturdy machine. The company claims a maximum printing speed of up to 500mm/s, which is 10x that of an average i3 style 3D printer. Yet, it isn't sustainable to print at these speeds, and you can realistically print between 200 to 250mm/s without sacrificing too much on print quality. Combining a heated print bed and a hardened steel nozzle increases the printer's material compatibility, letting you print with filaments like PLA, ABS, PET, but also wood and carbon-filled varieties. You can also add a clay extrusion setup on the WASP 2040 Pro. Using this setup, you can 3D print pots, vases, busts, and many other clay models. The clay extrusion kit is an optional purchase and isn't included with the base WASP 2040 Pro model. One of the significant drawbacks of the printer is its outdated 12864 LCD. The knob control display isn't ideal either and doesn't justify the high price tag of the 2040 Pro. The connectivity is also limited, and there is only an SD card port on the printer to work with. If these points do not matter to you, the WASP 2040 Pro is a high-quality, industrial Delta 3D printer suited for professional applications. The clay extrusion system is an exciting addition that extends the use case of the 2040 Pro beyond the usual plastic 3D printing process. At number 3. E3D K280 Delta DIY 3D Printer. For someone who enjoys a hands-on approach and building Delta 3D printers from scratch, the E3D K280 is a great DIY Delta 3D printer kit. The K280 is a tall Delta 3D printer with a massive build height of 600mm. The total size of the printer is slightly above 1000mm, making it one of the largest Delta 3D printers on this list. The giant print area is built out of 2020 aluminum extrusion, with acrylic panels for the rest of the printer. The printer uses V-slot wheels on the 2020 extrusions, with a conventional belt and pulley arrangement for motion. This straightforward design helps with the maintenance of the K280 while making the assembly process familiar for experienced 3D printer users. To help you print with ABS and other warp-Y filaments, the heated bed on the K280 can reach up to 110 degrees Celsius. Printing to the K280's maximum height with ABS without warping will be challenging, however, so 3D printing with ABS might be best for small to medium print sizes. E3D does not mention the presence of any filament runout sensor or power resume function with the K280. These features would have been helpful, considering the large build volume of the machine. Without them, you risk losing an entire print job in case of a power loss or a filament snag. The K280 is not designed to deliver excellent print quality right out of the box, and you will have to fine-tune it and work on various parameters to get a high-quality print from it. But, if you like a DIY approach and need a large printing volume for under $600, the E3D K280 will be well worth your time. At number 4. Silhouette Alta Plus 3D Printer. The Silhouette Alta Plus is a small Delta 3D printer designed for basic 3D printing use. It has a small build area of 124 x 130 mm and comes with a clean industrial design. The use of white shades and an acrylic enclosure help it stand out from the rest of the best Delta 3D printers on this list. There's a proprietary extruder and hot end setup on the Alta Plus, and its nozzle can only reach up to 210 degrees Celsius. The removable print bed also does not have heating, and you're limited to 3D printing with PLA on the Alta Plus. You receive 10 protective platform tapes with the printer. These tapes protect your print bed from the hot nozzle and aid with the first layer adhesion of your prints. The Alta Plus lacks connectivity options, as it has only a USB 2.0 port. The small build volume, too, restricts you from printing any big models. Silhouette aims the Alta Plus at first-time users and kids getting started with 3D printing. It is helpful for 3D printing small items such as cookie cutters, tiny busts, Christmas decorations, and toys.